So we really had to get like directions right now, because I don't know if we really like lost, because we like really deep into the mountains. So we actually found this trail right now, and we're gonna actually start walking up. I really enjoy these type of trips where we just wake up in the morning and we're like, hey, point somewhere on the map, and that's where we're going for the day. And this was one that I was a bit skeptical at first, and even the drive coming in here, you know, with all this windy type of roads and there's hardly any instructions. But luckily we found a few good people who gave us like directions. So we actually did manage to get here in one piece, and the view was just brilliant.